Hello friends! Today we have a fun craft for you to complete with the help of your teacher or caregiver. We're making a shape puppy. To complete this craft you will need construction paper, at least 2 colors for the dog and 1 color for the background, a glue stick, googly eyes, these are optional, scissors, and the shape templates. Here's what you'll do. First, cut out all the shapes. Next, arrange the shapes to form the puppy, like this. This will help you know colors to do all the shapes. Glue the shapes to the different colors of construction paper and then cut them out. Glue the shapes onto the background so you can see the colored side of each shape. If you're using googly eyes, attach them. Ta-da! Here's the finished shape puppy. I hope you enjoy this craft. I can't wait to see what you create. Bye!